Here I have HUAWEI Mate 20 Lite, and let me show you how to enter the EMUI mode on the following device. So it's some kind of the recovery mode on the HUAWEI phone. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Choose power off and touch power off again just to confirm the whole operation. Afterwards, you need to use the following combination: power key and volume up. Let's hold down those two keys for a couple of seconds. Keep holding both keys. Let's keep holding both keys. Now you can release volume up and power key. As you can see, the EMUI mode just pops up. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. So here you can accomplish hard reset, so you can choose wipe data factory reset, you can also wipe cache partition, or you can choose the first option, reboot system now, and simply quit this EMUI mode. So let me do it. Press power key to confirm it, and the device is restarting and booting into a normal mode. Excellent, now you can unlock your device and start using your phone. Everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.